Good afternoon, everyone. So I have this great iPad, so if you have any questions about Nucor or anything that comes up, please feel free to drop in your questions. But I'm here today just to kind of talk a little bit about Nucor. I know my name's Amari Scriven. I'm the manager of corporate sustainability for Nucor. Nucor is headquartered out of Charlotte, North Carolina. And I know we talked this morning a little bit about recycling, and I really want to talk about how that translates to the things that we're doing at Nucor. Nucor is a leader when it comes to circular economy. Our business in Kentucky is a part of the recycling community. As the largest steel producer in the United States, we have 27 steel mills producing 1/4 of the steel made in America. We are a Fortune 150 company with over 33,000 teammates around the United States. Our steel is made by recycling scrap metal into new steel products using what we call an electric arc furnace. This type of steel making is much cleaner than a traditional blast furnace. Our decision to use EAF technology was built in our first steel mill in 1960, has revolutionized the US steel making. Back then, over 70% of steel making was made using blast furnaces. Now, when we look at 2025, 70% of steel made in the United States uses electric arc furnace technology, which makes us one of the cleanest steel makers in the world. Given our EAF steelmaking process, as we are North America's largest recycler, we recycle over 20 million tons of scrap metal every year. In addition to our steelmaking business, we own scrap facilities as well as downstream facilities right here in Kentucky that make tube and conduit and a lot of other different products. So in addition, I know I'm in Kentucky today, so I love bourbon, I love basketball, I've been learning a lot about that. But in addition to that, one reason why I love Kentucky are the teammates here. We have over 1,800 teammates in the Commonwealth in 24 different locations. We make raw materials, we have steel mills, and we also have the downstream product divisions that I talked about before. In 2007, Nucor acquired the largest scrap processing broker, DJJ. From there, we were able to partner with Rivers Metal Recycling to build our own scrap supply system. I know you all heard a lot about scrap this morning, a lot about recycling this morning, but one big thing that we do is everything is in a circular economy. So even within Kentucky, we use the scrap that we get from River Metals, we take it to our plate mills and our sheet mills, and then we create downstream products. In 2014, we began a decade-long process of investing and expanding our presence here in Kentucky. Over the past decade, we have invested $4 billion in the Commonwealth. Our growth began with our acquisition of a steel mill in Kentucky, our Nucor Steel Gallatin mill. After that, we did our largest investment in 2023, a $1.7 billion investment in our brand new plate mill in Brandenburg, Kentucky. This mill is the only steel mill in the United States that can make heavy gauge plate used to build bridges and naval ships. It is very exciting for Nucor because now we have the ability to supply infrastructure to our nation's capital and national security. Bottom line is, Nucor Kentucky's footprint represents the entire circular economy. We collect scrap here in Kentucky through River Metals Recycling. We turn that scrap into new steel at our facility in Brandenburg and Gallatin. And then we take that steel to our conduit facilities in Louisville and make tube. We are grateful for the support that we've had from the Kentucky team, the governor, the lieutenant governor, and the Energy and Environment Cabinet here today. Thank you for your time.